Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix following too fast on TikTok. As we know, this error is popping up on your screen on TikTok when TikTok is identifying that you are trying to follow people too fast. That normally happens when, for example, here on this video, on the right part of your screen, you'll see the icon of the owner of this video, and when you tap the plus sign in here, the red plus sign, instead of giving you a check mark, it will prompt that you're following too fast. That means you won't be able to follow any TikTok users anymore at this time. Now on this scenario, it is okay for you to report the problem or to give TikTok a feedback about it, but the best way to do this is actually to wait. We just need to basically wait until the following too fast would disappear on your TikTok and you would be able to follow users again. Because if we're going to report a problem or to give TikTok a feedback about it, it is possible that they might read us as a suspicious user. What we need to do is to basically wait, and after few hours, minutes, or maybe after 24 hours, you should be able to follow again users on TikTok. And that's how you fix following too fast on TikTok. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.